to sing with Ryan.
Yes.
Sorry, requested by Sir Jay. For the song to the about, jadi lang mga ano yung talagang basagan ng ulo.
In your eyes I can see you're strange to me. Your love just in your heart to run around. You and you're the very smart. The tree before the sun, and I believe I'll be all it has become. So I'm ready to go. Fly to the limits of the world. For a chance to be with you, I can't resist it all. Fly to whatever come with me. For a chance of loving you, I take it all away. Right down to the wire, even to the wire. I know you're afraid of what you do. You still need time to heal. I can she was something you know, but I can help you, and I'm the piece that please.
Thank you, Sir Jay.
When is this really there's no take when I need you so I'm ready to go. Takes it all away.
natin ay Sir.
Mabango rin ako dito.
Oo, din sa grupo ninyo. Sino ba pwede natin paulitin dyan, guys? Oo. Kasi na ilang minutes para ibigay namin sa inyo.
Boss, baka may kakanta na po sa inyo.
Oo, boss, meron po ba?
Kahit naman yung mga girls pwede nyo kasama doon.
Yan, sino pwede natin paulitin dyan, guys? Oo. Sino ho? Oh.
Ano po?
Hindi pinapaliwanagan po namin na hindi namin kailangan ng pagalingan kumanta. Yung ano naman dito yung gusto lang po namin dito yung siyempre pakikisama, di ba? O, sino pwede natin paulitin? Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Ano yung boss niya? Sir Jay. And? Eh, sino pwede natin paulitin dyan, mga bossing? O kung hindi naman ho, song request na lang mga bossing. Yung gusto niyang kantahin namin para sa inyo. Kagaya ng ginagawa na binibigay ka ng song choice sa akin. Dahil lang, hirap mo usapin. Halika na, kumanta na lang tayo. Halika na. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nagpahagi ng compliment. Amin ko na